Cover.
Oh my gosh, why do you complain so much? Babe. Honey. Why are you covering your face? Babe.
Is that the real reason why you laughing so hard?
Okay, maybe I farted in the midst of laughing. I was laughing and then I farted, which made it even funnier.
I just feel so out of my comfort zone.
You're so in your feelings, babe. You want to lick it now that it's
No!
Baby.
I had to clean that shit with some alcohol, not some damn cold ass water at the sink.
It's hot water, thank you very much. Babe, stop. What are you doing?
Trying to get comfortable.
Go to the bed then.
No, you set all this shit up around me.
I said go to the
You
bed.
need to move your stuff.
Babe.
I'm sleeping right here.
Oh, then I'm not gonna wake you up to come to the bed. You're gonna sleep right here.
That's fine.
All by yourself.
Wet, stinky shit on me. Stop. Shit. I had to smell your breath in the cover.
Well, if you go take your ass a shower, you won't have to smell it.
Your breath?
Yeah.
Your breath ain't gonna get off of me.
Babe, why would you hide your shoulder from me?
Really? You really need to ask that question.
See how hard it is for me to get some attention around here?
Girl, stop. Stop while you're ahead.
I am always ahead. So while I'm ahead will be forever, so I still have time to stop, right?
What is that stench?
Probably your upper lip, bitch. That's why. Ah! Babe, only you can see my booty. I'm only doing it for
It's
you.
okay. Oh gosh. It's not gonna stop.